Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. The 2022 Honda Fury with 5,950 miles passes New Hampshire State Inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with a passenger backrest and aftermarket grips. We have replaced the front and rear tires. The Fury looks like a chopper but offers reliable performance and handling, making it a great option for a rider who likes customs but not custom setbacks. Powered by a 1312cc V-twin engine, the Fury puts impressive power through a 5-speed transmission. It has a 26.9-inch seat height and weighs in at 663 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please visit the listing on our website. We have also purchased a CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.